Let's start the new chapter, trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relation between angles and sides of triangle. This trigonometry word is derived from Greek words, that is triangle, measurement of triangles. Its meaning, simple meaning. This trigonometry we are using in different field. In the time of BC, astronomers used this method. Now, in physics, chemistry, music, everywhere this relations are using. Here first we can study about the relationship between the right triangle and its side. Now we can go to the 9th class. There we learn this right triangle, its ratios, sides and ratios, angles, that you learn, that we can revise now. We know two special cases coming in the right triangle. We can see two type of set square. One is this type of set square. Both sides are equal, 45 degree, then 90 degree. The other one is, other set square measurement is 30 degree, 60 degree, then 90 degree. Okay, then do you remember the ratio of the side according to the angle? For 45, 45, 90. That you learn in the 9th class. I think it is 1 is to root 2. This is the ratio you learn in the 9th class. We can revise because it is important for us. Now check here. This is a right triangle. Then here the side is 3 centimeter, and we want to find other sides. So we can use Pythagoras relation because it is 90 degree. 90 degree means we will use Pythagoras relation. So before going to Pythagoras, we want to know about this because this is 45, this is 45. Two angles are 45 means it is isosceles triangle. That means the angle, the side of this is 3 meter. That means this angle or this side will also come 3 meter. Because isosceles triangle, two angles are equal and their sides also equal. So this is 3 meter and this is also 3 meter. Now we want to find hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. That is equal to 3 square plus 3 square. So it will come 9 plus 9, we will get 18. So hypotenuse is equal to root of 18. Now root of 18, how we can find? We can factorize 18, 2 times 9, 3, 3. So from this 3 we can take 3 out. The remaining part it will come in the square root. So hypotenuse square will come 3 root 2. Now what is, we can write this, that is 3. This 45, it is 3. Next 45, that is 3. The side is coming 3. Then What about hypotenuse? It is coming 3 root 2. So here we can divide 3. All the terms it is coming 3. So we can divide, this will come, divide by 3, it will come 1, this will come 1, this will come root 2. That is, we get the same ratio. The ratio is the simplest form. So A1, then 1, then root 2. 1 is to 1 is to root 2. This ratio we learn in the 9th class. So we can say, if the triangle is right triangle and the angles are coming 90, 45, 45. That is, we can write generally, this term is x. This term is x. And the next term will come x into root 2. This is the general term. Because here we are some common number will come. Because everywhere the common number will come. So we can write x, x, x root 2. Now, suppose they are given 6 root 2 is the diagonal. So what are the sides? We know that this is x, x, x root 2. That means what is the side? Side will come 6, 6. Okay. So in the next number 10 root 2. Here x, x, x root 2. That means what is that x? X is 10. So we can write 10, 10. So these are the sides 10, 10, 10 root 2. We know no need of calculating because this is everywhere this ratio is same. Okay. In this situation. Now the next is 25 root 2. What will be the answer? What will be the sides? The sides, this one is 25, 25, 25. If we simplify, what is the ratio? 1, 1 is to, 1 is to root 2. Now the situation little bit change. Here 10, there is no root 2. That means here what we have to do? We can, if here the number is 25 root 2. How we get 25 here? We divide by root 2. So likewise, we can divide, here they are given 10. So we can divide 10 divided by root 2. That is the side. 10 divided by root 2. Here also 10 divided by root 2. Normally, root 2 we will not write in the denominator. If we write like this, no problem. But normally we are not writing in this way. So we can change this root 2 by multiplying by root 2 here. Here also root 2. Always we will write root 2 in the numerator normally. So we can write this as, because there is no change. So we will get 10 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2, it will come 2. So we can cut, this will come 5 root 2. So the actual rate, what it is, what is the measure? 10 by root 2 means same as 5 root 2. Here also 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Now we can check the next one. Here 20, they are not mentioned root 2. So hypotenuse is 20. So we can divide by root 2. 20 divided by root 2. That is the answer will come 20 divided by root 2. Now we can change. We can multiply with root 2 in the numerator and the denominator. So it will come 20 root 2 divided by Root 2 into root 2, it will come 2. So it will come 10 root 2. So this is same as 20 by root 2 is same as 10 root 2. Here also 10 root 2.